synthesis. First of all, you should know what is synthesis. Synthesis is to combine two or more sentences into one sentence such that the sense may remain unchanged. For example, he went to school. He learned there. Combine it. He went to school and learned. Mr. Singh is very poor. He bought a car. In spite of being poor, Mr. Singh bought a car. This is synthesis. So, synthesis means to combine two or more sentences into one sentence. But the sense may remain unchanged. Sense should not be changed. It is important to consider, important to understand that the sense may remain unchanged after combining given sentences. Okay, this is synthesis. Now we have to know classification of sentence on the basis of synthesis. On the basis of synthesis, there are three kinds of sentence. The first is simple sentence. The second is complex sentence. And third is compound sentence. Simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Now we have to know what is the difference between these sentences. What is simple sentence? First of all, we should know what is simple sentence. The sentence which has single finite verb, only one finite verb, that is simple sentence. For example, he goes to play. Here, goes is finite verb, and this is only one finite verb here, so it is simple sentence. To play is not a finite verb. To play is non-finite verb. It is infinitive. It means only one finite verb here, so it is simple sentence. The second, complex sentence. What is complex sentence? The sentence which has a principal clause and one or more subordinate clauses, that is complex sentence. A complex sentence has a principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. Subordinate clause means dependent clause. Okay? For example, he says that he is a good boy. That he is a good boy is subordinate clause, and he says principal clause. That is dependent clause, dependent to principal clause, and that is independent clause. It means principal clause. So we should know that in complex sentence, there is a principal class and one or more subordinate classes. Okay. Now compound sentence. In compound sentence, there is a principal class and one or more coordinate classes. One or more coordinate classes in compound sentence. Take example. He worked hard but failed. He worked hard but failed. This is coordinate class and this is principal class. So this is example of compound sentence. So you should know that there are three kinds of sentences on the basis of synthesis: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Now we have to learn how to connect two simple sentences into one simple sentence. We have to learn. There are so many rules related to synthesis. First of all, we should start how to connect two simple sentences into one simple sentence. Okay? This is the introduction video for synthesis. Next day I will teach you how to connect two simple sentences into one simple sentence. Before it, you should learn the definition of simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence, and you should read some examples from your textbooks. Some examples of simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Thereafter, I will teach you how to connect two simple sentences into one simple sentence. Okay? That's okay. Now, next day I will teach.